Okay, for question 7, Yusuf has a piece of wallpaper. He wants to draw some leaves to create a different design to screen print. Yusuf draws lines on the wallpaper. Some of the lines are parallel, which tells us some of them aren't. And he measures 4 angles and needs to calculate 4 more. We need to find the size of angles A, B, C, and D. So it's a little bit sneaky, this one, because you've got, if you see here, this line doesn't have an arrow on it, so it means it's not parallel to these two, because these two are parallel, but that one isn't. Same here, this line is parallel to this line, because it's got the 2 arrowheads, and this line's there just to kind of throw you. And again, this line going through will be used for down here. So if we start with A, we can see this line is crossing these 2 parallel lines here. So we know that we have angles A and angle 125. This angle and this angle are supplementary, so they should add up to 180. So for A, I'm just working out 180, take away 125, so we should end up with 55 degrees. For B, we can see that we have this angle here, this line here cuts this line and this line again, which is parallel, so angle B and angle 76 are actually in the same position, so they correspond with each other. So we say B is equal to 76. Now we found B, we can find C, because we know angles along straight lines should add up to 180. So 76 plus what gives us 180? That would be 104. And then angle D is a bit more harder to see, because they're a bit more difficult to see, because they've actually tried to throw you by using this 73 in the middle, but you can basically just completely ignore this middle line going through. It's this parallel line is parallel to this one, so angle 76 here would be the same as this angle here. So if I just write that in so you can see it, this angle is also 76. So again, angle D is going to be the same as angle C. D is going to be 104. So we've got A is 55, B is 76, and C and D is 104.